In this demo, we want to talk about how we can use or set up a restricted enrollment agent. Remember that an enrollment agent is somebody who can enroll other people or computers into a certificate through the certificate services. And so how do we set up an enrollment agent? Well, the first thing we need to do is assign the correct certificate to that particular person. But before we can do that, we have to manage our certificates, our certificate templates rather, and we have one here specifically called Enrollment Agent. And so as I open that up, we can specify in here certain properties about it, but what I'm looking at is the security. We want to add in here who is allowed to manage this. So I'm going to grab Allie as an example. Okay, giving her the read and enroll permissions. I'm not giving her full control, but I'm giving her the read and enroll permissions utilizing this particular template. Now, under certificate templates, just like we did earlier, I need to specify the template to issue. So it's going to be a new template that we are able to issue, and it's the enrollment agent template. Now, based on that template, someone could come along, run their MMC. Let's go ahead and bring up here launching MMC. And from the file menu, I add and remove snap-ins. Go to certificates. Click add. It's specific to a particular person, so I'll click finish. For the current user, click OK. And so if I was logged in as Allie, as an example, I want to go in and I want to, under all tasks, request a new certificate. Okay, and we click next. Click next. And that's the actual enrollment policy. But then after that, we'll see the various different templates that are available for issue. Now that we're going through this. There's the copy of the Exchange user one. And then here is the enrollment agent. So there it is, enrollment agent. And I can specify to enroll and go through that whole process. This time succeeded. Okay, excellent. So I've gone ahead and done that, which means that it issued me a certificate quite specifically with an expiration date. And the certificate template that was utilized was the enrollment agent. Now, having done that, we can go on to our certificate authority and view the properties. And we have enrollment agents. And this is where we can specify that we want to restrict enrollment agents. Now, I'd probably remove everyone and add in here Allie as an example, but I wasn't actually logged in as Allie, so I'll just look up the administrator. That's who I just specified in there, the enrollment agent. We're going to restrict them. We can also restrict to a specific template if I wanted to. So if I clicked on add, I could view the various different templates so that we're actually, the enrollment agent is restricted to a default set of, or a smaller set of templates rather than just the default. So we could pick and choose which ones they are allowed to enroll other people as. And we can specify certain permissions in here as well. Okay, so that's how we can set up a restricted enrollment agent in your environment.